Let's just take a stroll around the construction zone. Yeah, we're having a lot of fun now. And what have we here? Oh, I see. Someone's marking their territory. I hope that wasn't a person. Going in the front door doesn't look too bad yet. But wait, there's more. There's a new refrigerator and a stove sitting in the living room. I've got no idea what's in that pile. Yeah, things are in a bit of a state, I would say. A state of repair. I didn't leave this place looking like this. Some people have been working here, and apparently cleaning is not high on the agenda. Not high on the agenda. Oh, let's see what's going on out here now. Oh, some things have changed out here, I see. Well, isn't that a fine water heater? Well, let's see what's going on out here. Someone is not phased. Oh, but there's this. This means water is imminent, which is a good thing. Hey, look, there's a man. He's working. He's working on some things in a box here, making it all better. Yeah. So this has changed. That used to be there. Hey, it's a lazy dog. This is where the painting occurred. And there's the well in the vault. One of the finer points of this whole expedition. Yeah. Some things are happening here and they're not exactly tidy. But they're happening.